It's February 21st, 2008, and I'm standing here at the headquarters of Google in Mountain View, California. Right behind me is a full-scale replica of Spaceship One. And I'm here because just a few hours ago we announced the first 10 fully registered teams in the Google Lunar X PRIZE. We're just over 5 months from the announcement of the prize, and we've already got 10 teams, which is absolutely spectacular. It's sort of beyond what we dared hope would happen. Just as a point of reference, by this point in the Ansari X PRIZE, we had only 2 fully registered teams. By this point in the Northrop Grumman Lunar Lander Challenge, I think we had 3. So we're well ahead of pace from anything the Foundation has ever done. And not only do we have a lot of teams, but we have some really interesting teams, and we have a really diverse group of teams, both in terms of where they're from and what kind of ideas they're representing, what kind of strategies they're going to use to get to the moon. We have everything from people who have been in the space community for decades, people like Dr. Harold Rosen from the Southern California Selene Group, who led the team that built the first ever geosynchronous communication satellite. We've got folks like Red Whitaker from Carnegie Mellon, who have been involved, leaders in robotics, have been involved in private lunar missions in the past, have won prizes in the past. And then we have new people like Adil Jaffrey from Team Chanda, or Fred Bourgeois from Team FredNet, that are really new to the space industry and coming at this from a completely new angle, which is the stuff that we love to see, the synthesis of the old ideas and this old experience base that's going to be absolutely critical, and the fresh energy and excitement that's coming up from these new teams. So it's going to be a real pleasure for us to follow along with these 10 teams and with those that are going to join them over the coming months. And I hope that all of you will follow along with us. So the race has started now. We've got 10 fully registered teams, all of whom are actively working. They're coming up with ideas, they're recruiting new team members, they're trying to raise money, they're taking on partners. And the next 3 months are going to be extremely interesting for us at the Foundation and for you following along from home. You can go to our website, googlelunarxprize.org, and follow along, because you'll find each of these teams is posting a blog at least once a week, giving you updates on why they decided to join, or what their latest status update is, or decisions that they're in the process of making. They'll also be posting videos, perhaps giving tours of their facilities or introducing you to their team members, and photo albums from everything from this announcement event we just had earlier today to design reviews and other events that they go to. And of course, in May of 2008, we'll be having the first ever Google Lunar X PRIZE Team Summit, which will take place at the campus of the International Space University in Strasbourg, France. This will be an opportunity for not just our registered teams, but also those of you who are thinking about becoming teams, or would like to join a team, or maybe you'd have something that you would like to sell to a team, or like to buy from a team. It's a chance for all of those people to come together, interact with each other, make some connections, find ways that people can do some business, and interact also with us to talk about the rules and the future of the competition. So I encourage you, please stay tuned to this website and come and see us in France in May.